Hello, we are a Berlin-based team of artists, scientists and science communicators from the Stücke-Werkstatt Berlin, the Cluster of Excellence NeuroCure and the Einstein Center for Neurosciences at the Charité. My name is Claudia and I am science communicator.
My name is Linda Tidwell and I work for the Excellence Cluster NeuroCure and I am a science communicator.
Hello, I'm Christa Müller. I'm a retired dramaturg and actress, and I got this initial idea to make this project.
My name is Franco Elena Damian and I'm the director of the play Don't Put Your Rabbits Far from the Wood.
My name is Susanne Wegmann. I'm a scientist and I'm leading a research group at the German Center for Neurodegenerative Diseases, DZNI, and the Charité. And we are trying to find out the basics of Alzheimer's disease.
On the 9th of November 1989, I was only 1 year in Germany because I flew with my parents from Romania to Germany. And on this day, I was watching with my parents in Stuttgart television what happened in Berlin. And only 1 month later, Ceausescu was shot in Romania.
The aim of our project is to break down the walls between science and art and also between scientists and laymen. And we want to break down the wall between people who are suffering from dementia to the people who are close to them.
One of the most challenging questions regarding the dementia of my mother was communication. Spoken language didn't work any longer. My mother couldn't understand what I explained to her. For example, when I tried to make clear that it's a bad idea to walk outside with sandals in deep winter. That brought me to the idea for a drama, because theater deals with language and things in between. So I wanted, and that was new in this combination, I wanted to explore and to show what happens when language as a base of communication doesn't work any longer.
So what is about in the play? The play is about a mother and a daughter. When the daughter was 18 years old, the mother didn't allow her to ask about her father. Now the daughter is 40 years old and she's pregnant and she really wants to know who was my dad. So she wants to ask her mother, but the mother is suffering of dementia.
Alles weg.
So in the play we see how these two women deal with each other and with this conflict, and if you will be there on the 3rd of November this year, you will see it live online.
Our public seemed deeply affected by the play, but many questions rose which we were not able to answer. It's a chance, a big chance, that we can connect with NeuroCure, that after our next show during the Berlin Science Week, and hopefully afterwards too, we'll have experienced neuroscientists with us to discuss all those open demands. This will add an enormous surplus to our work and certainly will be a benefit for the public.
So we are now here in our laboratory, and since there are so many unanswered questions in the field of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, we are working here on different aspects of the disease. So questions unanswered are, for example, where is really the disease coming from? We know the progression of the disease, but we don't know where it actually molecular comes from. And that's where we work on. We work on the little molecular aspects and try to extrapolate that to the human brain, then redefine from findings in the human brain our own research with the hope to generate new therapeutic approaches for Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. My vision is to develop a therapy for people with Alzheimer's to shorten their suffering and that of their caretakers.